All right. Hello and welcome back if you're here again. Uh, so, if you watched yesterday's video, I had this last question remaining. So, aiming to do that now. It's currently 3:54. I'll go to gym at 4:30 or 4:45. So, I roughly got 50 minutes or half an hour, 40 minutes, whatever. But yeah, let's just restart this. Let's just load these and meanwhile read the question. So in the United States, dates are typically formatted in month, day, year, which is quite weird if I'm being honest with you. Otherwise known as Middle Indian order, okay, which is arguably bad design. It fucking is, trust me. Dates in that format can't be easily sorted because the date's year comes last instead of first. And try sorting, for instance, 221800 and 3391900 and 11, like chronologically in any program. For example, a spreadsheet. Dates in that format are also ambiguous. Harvard was founded on September 8, 1636, but 9/8/1636 could also be interpreted as August 9. Yeah, exactly. Month should not come first. Like 2 2. That's like, okay, am I supposed to think, is it 2nd February, or it is like, okay, in this case is the same, but yeah, still. Fortunately, computers tend to use ISO 8601, an international standard that prescribes the date should be formatted in year, month, day. Okay, I mean, that's also a light order, no matter the country. Formatting years with 4 digits, months with 2, and days with 2, padding each with leading zeros as needed. So, outdated.py. Let me, sorry, no caps. CD into week 3, mk directory, outdated, cd, outdated, code, outdated dot py. Uh, Whatever, let's just leave that. And now, it prompts the user for a date. Anno Domini, what the hell is that? In month, day, year order, formatted like 9, 8, whatever. Wherein the month in the letter might be any of the values in the list below. The output that same date in this format. The user input is not valid date in either format. Prompt the user again. Assume that every month has no more than 31 days. No need to validate whether a month, whatever days. Okay. What are the hints? Recall that str comes with quite a few methods. Yes, it does, including split. Recall that the list comes with quite a few methods, among which is index. Okay. Note that you can format an int with leading zeros with code like, oh, okay. Wherein if n is a single digit, it will be prefixed with 0, with 1 0. Cool. So, first of all, we need to split and get 3 values. And first will be the month, second will be date, third will be year. Okay, if it's not valid, then we need to prompt again. Okay, so we are taking two types of inputs. So first of all, we have to figure out how can we decide if it is this kind of input or this kind of input. Hmm. Okay. I think this is going to take up all my time. Uh, but yeah, let's see. So date is equal to input, in which we are saying date, right? Yeah, date. Okay. If uh, if there is slash, then we will month, day, year, day dot split. Okay. And print month, print day, and print year. Cool. Let's just try that much first. Python outdated dot py. Let's say 9, 8, 19, whatever. I meant to say 8, but okay. Let's say 7, 1, 1000. So our month is 7th, 1 is 1, and that is that. So in that case, how can we print the output? So we can print, first of all, we can print year, then dash, then month, and then day, right? So let us try out f string. We can say year, then we can say month, then we can say date or day, and :02 is how we format them to have 0 leading zeros or whatever. Cool, that should work. Let's say 8, 9, 1999. Ah, 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 ah. What was that? Yo, it said it will be like, if n is a single digit, it will be prefixed with 10. Prefix means it should come before, right? The hell? Am I reading this incorrectly or what, man? Note that you can format an integer with leading zeros. Oh, okay. So it's not an integer, if I'm not wrong. Now it should work, hopefully. What was the date they were passing? 9/8/1636. Yeah, Howard's, whatever. 9/8 1636. Yay! Okay, that much you have figured out. Now, what was that error? Uh, 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 I think it was EOF error, maybe. No, it was for control D. Okay. Let me think about it. How can we do this as input? Let me just check for other cases though. Okay, so first of all, we need to pass in the list of months. Months are these. So can we say for months, for month in months, if month in date, then what is the issue here? Line 29. Yeah, bro, don't worry. Okay. If month in date, if it was comma, right? That we, yeah. Or if we can check if if it starts with, no, I mean, yeah, that those conditions are all right. If comma end date. So now the question is, how can we split it? Wait, my audio. Okay. How can we split it? Shit. Can we split by comma? But can we split by spaces? Also, there is index, right? Yeah. So we can say what was it like? Month, day, year again. Okay. Month, day, year is equal to. I'm about to go haywire in this bitch. Oh no, we have to print the year first. Okay. September space 8 comma space 1636. September. Year is not defined. Let's remove it then. Let's see what this is printing. September 8 1636. Line 9. Oh hell no. How? Let me. Okay. I think it was trying to print this line. Let me indent it. Okay. Sorry about that. Unsupported format string passed to built-in function or method. Let me remove this. Let's see if that was the issue. Built-in method index. Okay. Might be that we have to call it. Index expected at least one argument. Okay. Now, how about that? Hey! Okay, let me get this straight here. Okay. Let me comment this out. Let me print d month. Let me print day. Let me print year. Let me also try to print month. Now let's see what happens. September 8. Okay. So first it has D month is September. Day is 8, comma 1636 is the year, and month is September. Now let me try to print this. See what that prints. September 8. Why is it printing 8? Because it starts from 0, my friend. So we have to do +1. Then there is the issue of splitting them by this. So first of all, we don't need uh, we don't need to check this, the value of this. Like we don't need this D month, right? So what can we do is we can split via comma, and then it will only have day and year. But then day will be like September 8. Let me do +1. I think directly we can do because it's an integer. Maybe September 8 1636. Okay. So day is September 8 and year is okay, all right. Okay, now let's check how to remove alphabet characters from a string in Python. Or another way could be we got this date or the day, and then we say actual date is equal to day dot split with a space. Then we can convert the actual date to an integer. Let me also do that here. Let's just convert the year into integer. Now we can print the year. We can sorry, can also print the actual date, and I guess we can also do this here. Let's see. Year dot, what was it to remove spaces? Strip. Sorry, my bad, I forgot. Or maybe it won't work here. Let's see. September 8 9 1636. Int argument must be a string, not list. Okay, sorry. Actual month and actual date. Now it should be September 8 1636. Okay, so our day is September 8. That is fine. Year is 1636, and we have got an R index. I can remove this. Now, what were the cases in which we needed to do this? Can we use while loop again? Because we have to do like while true, do this. And okay, I'm just thinking how I can structure the format. Because we don't need to do it again and again, kind of, because once we have returned that any date which was entered correctly and we have returned the correct format, we need to exit. Only in the cases that the user is not inputted the input user has not given the input in correct form, in that case only we need to do that. So we can use break, I guess. And okay, let me just do it in while only. uh, okay, I think let's also keep this there only. While true and tab. After this we can do break, and after this we can do break as well. Okay, that might work. First of all, let's check if it is not broken the first one. 1636. Okay, that works fine. September 8 1636. Okay, that also works fine. But it prompted us for the date again. Maybe we can do sys.exit. Import sys and 8 1636 and September 8 1636. Yeah. Now let me try to enter Jan 1 19, and also what was the first incorrect? Yeah, 8 September 1990. And now let me enter the correct one, September 8 1636. Cool. Okay, I think we have covered everything. Let's check if anything is remaining. Okay, so we have a lot of things. 236191 results and reprompt. Why though? Hmm, that's weird. This is correct format, right? Or is it not? Oh, okay, okay, okay. I think we have so many things to work on here. Okay. So we need to handle so many errors. Let's see. Okay, here I think we can do something. If 236191 which means that user is giving month as 23, which should be rejected. If month is greater than day, if month is less than day, then do this, else just exit. Then there is this thing. If slash in date, okay, then we also need to check why is this rejected. Okay, first of all, the month should be less than day. If day greater than 31, if day less than 30, 0, yeah. Then here also we need to check that. If actual date is less than 32 and greater than 0, then only do this, else this handled, this handled, uh, this handled. Now how to handle this one? If actual month wait. So this thing, right? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. We have split it. Then actual month and actual date. If it is digit, oh, something is wrong here. If actual month dot digit. So if it returns true, then we need to exit. Can we use sys.exit there? I think we can. So that is handled. And now for this. If month dot is alpha, let's see. God damn, everything is broken. Let me remove this. Let me also comment out this. Now let's see if it is passes. If it doesn't, then we have made some other issue. Yep. Uh, why is this here like that? Does anyone know? No? Fuck. I don't know if that was the issue or not, but yeah, again. Okay, so let's just run and see what our usual thing is giving error in. Okay, it's not giving anything at all. Let me comment out this. Why? Okay. It's not like month should be less than, month should be greater than 0 and less than 13. Yes, मेरे भाई. Uh, okay. But why is it reprompting again? Okay. September 8. Is digit. Yes, I did mean that. My bad. Again. Let me see now. Hmm. Let's see this one first. What do you mean rejecting the input? Let's say 23.6.19.1.2. It rejected the input. Okay, okay. Shit, we need to reprompt. Fuck this. Shit, that's the issue here, bro. It's not resulting in reprompt. We are just exiting. Hmm. Can we do pass here? Not actually sure. Let's see. Ah, shit. I could have just checked again by adding that. But anyways. It's gonna fail somewhere, obviously. Have that much faith in myself. Or is it just going on forever? Okay. Let me remove this. Also remove this. Then let's see what happens. But in this case, we are running forever because while true is never. Uh, what did I do at first, which was timed out? Yeah. Can I do continue? Let's just check normally, maybe. Hmm. I think that should be good enough. Why, bro? October 917. Okay, why is it skipping this? Hmm. I think it is because here. So I was thinking maybe we can do we can say is valid. We can set it to true. If it is valid, then we can check this, and then else we can do this. Else we can continue. Yes, is valid. If it is valid, then we can do this. But is valid is true, then it will always check these things. Basically, it will always go inside this loop. Then it will check. If it is there, then it will exit. Else, if these things are done, then it will also exit. Mm, okay, so there again is the issue. This loop will always get executed. So there will never come an else, which will be my bad. My gym time is running out, by the way, but shit. Okay. I think I'm gonna ask AI if this still doesn't work out. Twenty-six, 23.6.19.12. 23.6.19.12. Okay, so there is the issue again. If this, sorry, let me. No, let's just keep you like that only. It should continue. Okay, kind of I'm having mindfuck. Okay, let me just ask AI only, and because I'm just stuck in my thinking pattern and I'm not able to break out properly, think anything else. This is the code, and these are the checks that it is failing. Let me Control Shift C. Okay. Meanwhile, let's also look. So first of all, we are not catching anything. Can we do that? Try accept. Here we are not doing try accept. If we do it, okay, so that try this. Accept. Let me just bring it here and then inspect it. So this has not used sys. Let me also remove it. Let me also remove the months from here. Now we can strip the white space. Then what are we doing? Format is this: month, day, year, split, converting them into int. If month and this, then break. Exit only when valid. If invalid, continue loop. Reprompt. Elif that in date. Split by comma first. Date part year. Here we can just convert to the end. Split date part into, okay, yeah, that's okay. Month name in months and days that, and okay. I think this will also do some things not properly, or I'm not really sure, to be honest, because it was not checking if it is uh, basically it shouldn't have been the alphabets, I guess, or it was in this one. Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, it does what is it supposed to. Anyways, I'll just do this for now and submit it, and I'll go to gym, although I'm already half an hour late, but I wanted to finish this, so that it was not left behind or something. So yeah, I think it's good to first of all use try and accept, and then it's also good to use comments, so that we are aware of the issues that it is creating. And I'm avoiding this and like doing this two nested ifs, but I think I have to learn to use and properly. Okay, so let me refresh these things so that our week 3 is completed finally. It took like what, 3 days, because first I did this, then these two yesterday, and this one today. Outdated, outdated, and done. Okay, so that makes us done with all of these things, and yeah, let me just keep it like this so that I know what mistakes I did. But yeah, that it took over 1 hour. Anyways, though, that is going to be it today. I won't be coming back to other problems, which will be not this one, because these are also done. It will be 4. So yeah, all of these emojis, whatever. So I think we have to import some libraries and all that. But yeah, we have 3 and 3 6 problems in that one. That makes this okay, 6 4 4 again, 5 3, and final project. Anyways, I'm not really looking to rush this. I have other things to do as well. So I'll do basically spend at least 1 hour every day on this, and see whatever problems I can solve. Either it is 1 or 2, or if I'm so much in the shape, or I'm on the roll, then maybe 3 as well. But yeah, that's the way going forward. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. I don't know why would you enjoy it though, but yeah. Anyways, have a good day or night. Uh, don't forget to walk or work out or whatever, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.